Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the watch is actually in zoom mode. That tells you the fix is software, not hardware. Once done, make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and your paired iPhone is nearby for settings changes. First actionable step, try double tapping with 2 fingers on the watch screen to toggle zoom. If that works, zoom will toggle off. If the double tap fails, proceed to the watch app on the iPhone. We'll change the setting directly there. On your iPhone, open the watch app and tap accessibility. This is where the zoom toggle lives. You'll see zoom, turn it off to restore normal scaling, and while here, check zoom region and maximum zoom to prevent accidental activation. Once you toggle zoom off, force the watch screen to refresh by pressing the digital crown and side button together to restart. That ensures the new setting applies. If you prefer, you can also disable zoom directly. If zoom remains after toggling and restarting, do a force restart. Hold the side button and digital crown together for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient glitches. If that fails, unpair and repair the watch from the watch app to reset settings while preserving a backup. Make sure the iPhone stays nearby. Finally, if the issue persists or the screen reacts oddly to touch, contact Apple support. There may be a deeper software bug or rare hardware fault needing professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.